Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Kansha M878 4D massage chair. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in 3 separate boxes. The larger of the 3 boxes contains the main body of the chair. The long medium-sized box contains 2 side arm panels, and the smallest box holds the footrest. The only tools required for this assembly is an M8 hex key and a Phillips head screwdriver, which both come included within the accessory box. Let's start with the larger box. Once open, lift the top of the box straight up and set aside. Sitting on the chair is the accessory box. In the accessory box, we have the remote control, the remote pouch, a power cord, a Phillips head screwdriver, a hex key, spare clips and fuses, 4 washers, 2 long and small bolts, the user manual, a quick start guide, an assembly guide, and lastly the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove any foam protective packaging surrounding the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, unwrap the plastic and place it toward the bottom of the tray. This next step will require some assistance. With a partner, lift the chair up and out of the tray. Place the chair in an open, clean area to resume the rest of the assembly. If the chair is not already in full reclined position, make sure you follow steps 2 through 4 in the assembly guide before installing the 2 side arm panels. With the body out of the box, let's unbox the 2 side arm panels. Let's start with the left arm panel. To indicate which panel is left or right, simply locate the letter corresponding each side. On the inside of the panel, we will see several important pieces of the assembly. There is the back panel pin, the nozzles for the air hoses, the arm panel clip that will rest on the chair's body rail, and the 2 screw holes to firmly connect the arm to the frame of the chair. To ensure we do not pinch any air hoses in the next step, tuck the air hoses toward the back of the frame. Starting with the left arm panel, carefully lift the arm and place the arm panel clip onto the body rail of the frame of the chair. Then guide the connecting back panel pin that we pointed out earlier and slide it into the back hook toward the back of the frame. Repeat this process to the other side of the chair. With both arm panels in position of the frame of the chair, let's insert the bolts and secure them into place. Start with the long bolt and insert it into its position near the shoulder airbags. It should align with the screw hole we pointed out on the arm of the chair earlier. Now install the shorter bolt into the screw hole near the foot of the chair. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. With the arms securely in place, now it's time to finish each arm panel. To connect the air hoses to the back of the arm panel, we must bring the chair to an upright position. With the power cord, plug the chair into power and flip the power switch on, located on the side of the chair. Now it's time to connect the remote. Toward the foot of the chair, locate the remote cord connection plug. You will find the port under the seat cushion near the screw on the right arm of the chair. Align the pins and use the screw fastener ring built into the port to secure the remote to the base of the chair. Then using the remote, press the power button once to power the chair on. Once the remote fully boots up, a yellow warning screen will appear. Read it thoroughly and click OK to continue. Press the power button again to reset the chair to its upright position. With the chair set to an upright position, turn the power switch off. Located underneath and to the back of the chair, locate the air hoses we tucked away into the chair previously, and from behind the chair, connect the air hoses to the air nozzles located on the back of the arm panel. When connecting the air hoses, each nozzle is numbered accordingly. It's important to match the numbers with each other to ensure proper installation. Repeat this to the other side. Now let's unbox the last box, which contains the footrest. Once unboxed, move the footrest close to the foot of the chair. As you can see here, there are 3 electrical plugs and 1 air nozzle that will need to be connected to their appropriate connection ports. Plug the 6-pin electrical plug into the 6-pin port, the 8-pin plug into the 8-pin port, the 12-pin plug into the 12-pin port, and finally the air hose to the air nozzle. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that will have to be removed. The trick we found to this is to use the included screwdriver and gently lift the piece of the clip that is keeping it in place, then gently slide it off the axle. Now lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin on the body of the chair. Slide one side down the axle pin all the way. This should give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up onto the other axle pin. Then replace the clips to secure it into place. If you misplace or lose any of the clips, there are some spares in the hardware bag of the accessory box. Then zipper the closure between the footrest and the chair's body. Now let's attach the remote control pouch to the side of the arm panel using the Velcro tab to hang it off the outer edge of the armrest. Next, remove the vacuum sealed plastic wrap protecting the remote to improve visibility on the screen. Now that the chair is fully assembled, toggle the main power switch back on and turn on the chair using the remote. Then run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax.